So you might be wondering how to exactly use or start using your Polaroid Instax Mini SE camera. Well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. So first things first is you want to load the Instax Mini film. Now you want to slide open the back cover of the camera, drop the film back in so the yellow mark on the film matches the yellow mark inside the camera. Then close the cover until it actually clicks. Now you want to press the power button next to the lens, then the lens actually pops out. That means it's on. Now you want to press the shutter once to eject the black protective film sheet. Now look for the small window on the back here. It shows how many shots you have left, starting at 10. So if it's not counting down, the film may not be seated correctly. Now, you want to hold the camera steady with both hands and look through the viewfinder, not the lens. Now, for close shots here, remember the viewfinder sits slightly on the side, so step back a little so subjects aren't cut off. Now, you want to keep your subject at least like 2 feet away if you can, so use the built-in flash. It fires automatically and works best indoors in low light. Avoid covering the flash with your fingers to not to disrupt the actual look of the photo. So yeah, you want to go and just press the shutter button fully. The photo ejects right away. Now, if you don't shake it though. So lay it flat and wait for about 90 seconds for the image to fully appear. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.